Have you ever bought a pressure washer upgrade expecting a huge improvement only to realize it barely made a difference? With so many pressure washer accessories on the market, it's hard to know which ones actually help and which ones are mostly marketing. So today we're counting down 5 popular pressure washer upgrades, from useful to absolutely game-changing, to find out which ones are truly worth adding to your setup. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Tool Daily Nozzle Tips set. At first glance, these might seem like simple nozzle attachments, but they can completely change how your pressure washer behaves. The set includes multiple spray angles, allowing you to switch from a highly concentrated stream for stubborn dirt to a much wider pattern for safer cleaning on vehicles and delicate surfaces. The biggest advantage here is versatility. Instead of using one spray pattern for every task, you can choose the angle that best fits the job. That means better control, faster cleaning, and less risk of damaging sensitive surfaces. While these nozzles won't magically increase your pressure washer's power, they do make your machine far more adaptable. For most users, that's already a big upgrade. Coming in at number 4 is the Kärcher EcoBooster 3000. This nozzle has generated a lot of attention because it claims significantly higher cleaning performance than a standard flat jet nozzle. And to be fair, it does have some advantages. The wider spray pattern helps cover more surface area, making certain cleaning tasks feel faster and more efficient. It's also designed to be gentle enough for automotive paint, patio furniture, and other sensitive surfaces. But here's the reality. The improvement isn't nearly as dramatic as the marketing might suggest. Yes, it works. Yes, it can improve efficiency in certain situations, but don't expect it to completely transform your pressure washer. It's a solid accessory, but not quite the revolutionary upgrade some people hope for. Taking the number 3 spot is the MINGLE Undercarriage Cleaner. This is one of those accessories that many vehicle owners don't realize they need until they try it. Road grime, mud, salt, oil residue, and dirt constantly build up underneath your vehicle. The problem is that most people rarely clean those areas because reaching them is inconvenient. That's where this attachment shines. Instead of crawling underneath your vehicle, you simply slide the cleaner underneath and let the high pressure spray do the work. It's quick, effective, and helps remove contaminants from areas that often get ignored. If you drive in harsh weather conditions or regularly travel on dirty roads, this accessory can make a noticeable difference in maintaining your vehicle. Moving into second place, we have the YAMATIC short pressure washer gun. Now this upgrade doesn't necessarily make your pressure washer stronger. What it does is make the entire cleaning experience better. The compact design gives you significantly more control compared to traditional pressure washer ones. The swivel connection helps prevent annoying hose tangles, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Whether you're washing a vehicle, cleaning wheels, applying foam, or working in tight spaces, the improved handling becomes obvious almost immediately. Many detailing enthusiasts switch to a short pressure washer gun once and never want to go back. It's one of those upgrades that seems small until you actually use it. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the McKillans foam cannon. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle looking its best, this is the accessory that delivers the most noticeable improvement. The foam cannon creates a thick blanket of foam that clings to the surface of your vehicle, helping loosen dirt, dust, and contaminants before you even touch the paint. This extra layer of lubrication helps reduce the chances of creating swirl marks during the washing process. The adjustable controls allow you to customize the foam output, while the durable construction ensures long-term reliability. But what really makes this upgrade stand out is the overall washing experience. It makes cleaning safer, easier, and honestly a lot more satisfying. For automotive enthusiasts and detailers, it's easily one of the most valuable pressure washer accessories available. So after looking at all 5 upgrades, which one is actually worth buying? If you simply want more versatility, the Nozzle Tips set is a great addition. If you're curious about the EcoBooster, it's a decent option, but don't expect miracles. The Undercarriage Cleaner is excellent for vehicle maintenance. The short pressure washer gun dramatically improves comfort and control. But if you're looking for the single upgrade that delivers the biggest overall improvement for automotive cleaning, the foam cannon takes the crown. If you'd like to learn more about any of the products featured today, you'll find links to all of them in the description below. Now I want to hear from you. Which pressure washer accessory has made the biggest difference in your setup? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future automotive reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.